A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, students, let's start our English grammar class. In our last class, we had completed up to chapter 23. Actually, yesterday I've sent you all the answers of up to chapter 23. And today, open chapter 24, page number 182. So, here this chapter is about understanding words better. Okay. So we often get confused between two words like right and right. R-I-G-H-T right and W-R-I-T-E right. Hair and hair. H-A-R-E. H-A-I-R hair and H-A-R-E hair. So because these pairs of words sound the same. So you can see some of the word like these, which are the sound of these words are same, but they are not same. So we have to find out the we have to find and we have to write the correct word here. That is dash school. That is our school. Why? Because this hour means क्या होता है? Clock. It's related to clock. This is our means हमारा. Rapunzel had long hair or hair. This hair is different. This hair means bal. And this hair means that male khargosh. Okay, male rabbit you can say. Dash have horns. Deer or deer? Exactly, it will be deer. So rest of the questions you all have to do. I hope you all can do. It's very simple and easy. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Move to the next exercise. Review 3. A. Underline the adverb and write whether they are how, when, and where adverb. So here you have to underline the adverb. 3 I have done, but rest of the questions you all have to do. The boy is running fast. Fast is adverb. The adverb name is how. Look up in the sky. Up, adverb. Where? I went to the market yesterday. When? So rest of the questions you all have to do underline the adverb and write how, when or where adverb it is. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Here you have to fill in suitable preposition. So here I have done 3 for you all, but rest of the answers you have to find out. I go to school with my father. They are talking to each other. The dress is for you. The dog is in its kennel. The policeman ran after the thief. Rest of the questions you have to solve and you have to write from here. So join these sentences with a word given in the bracket. Here, but is given. We went to the bookstore. The book was not available. We went to the bookstore, but here just we have to put but in place of in between. We went to the bookstore, but the book was not available. You can go to Delhi. You can visit Agra. You can go to Delhi or visit Agra. Okay? We can put or here. I hope that rest of the questions you can do by yourself. It's very simple. He was taken to the doctor. He was ill. He was taken to the doctor because he was ill. It's just so simple. Now, next is fill in the blank with the correct word from the bracket. Here we have to fill up the correct words. That exercise which we have done, जो भी वहाँ पे किए थे exercise, it's same like that. And here you have to find out the 8 part of a speech. Means part of a speech means like verb. एक verb हो गया part of a speech. Conjunction, है ना? Pronoun. So, and the words are given here in bold. You have to, these are just hints. So, 8 part of a speech find out कीजिए. And next is here. Name the part of a speech. Here we have to find out the name the part of a speech बताना है. Like father. Father कौन सा part of a speech है? It's a pronoun or noun? Tell me. Tell me it's which part of a speech? Father. Intelligent. Father is noun. Intelligent is adjective or verb? Tell me. Intelligent is adjective. Plays. Plays is verb or adverb? Is adverb. It's verb. ओके, इस तरह से आप सबको फाइंड आउट करने हैं एंड टेक द राइट ऑप्शन। नाउ मैच द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच। यहाँ पे हमें मैच करना है विथ, जैसे स्कूल कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है, जस्ट हैव टू मैच। लाइक स्कूल क्या है, विच पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इज स्कूल? स्कूल इज नाउन, वी ऑल नो दैट, है ना। ओ is a conjunction or interjection? It's an interjection. We just have to match like this. Understood? Play is verb, so we have to. Okay, so do like this, complete this exercise, and here filling the blanks with suitable words from the box. Here we have to fill in the blanks with suitable words, and here you have to write the part of speech of the highlighted words belong to. The first one has done for you. Here, little is adjective, come is verb. Like this, you have to find out the words. So, student, that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.